This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT science question. This question's a little unusual for the ACT because it asks you to use your general understanding of biology. So it wants you to make an inference based on the passage, but not completely in the passage. So the question asks us, why would the experiment be using liver cells taken from fetal mice? So the best thing to do with a question like this, so we know that it's not really going to be in the passage, so we just want to look at our answer choices and see what makes sense and what's complete nonsense. So let's go through them. First one, mice multiply rapidly, so there's a large supply of fetal livers. This seems like a bit of nonsense to me because how do we know that mice multiply rapidly? There's no evidence. It's not a thing that you learn in biology. There's no evidence. There's obviously no evidence in the passage, but this just seems like a bit of a far-fetched claim. Choice 2, fetal liver cells are not fully differentiated. This would make sense because if they're still fetal cells, then they're probably not going to be exactly the same as fully formed cells. So this seems to make sense. This doesn't make me seem skeptical. So let's leave this one. Choice 3, liver cells contain iron, which helps counter the effects of irradiation. So we don't know about iron and the effects of irradiation. This is the first time that I've come across irradiation. It's probably not something that would be in a general understanding of biology. So that's no good. So we're stuck now between this idea of fetal cells not being differentiated and none of the above. This does seem to make sense. This is a really challenging question, and this is not a typical type of question on the ACT. So it is, choice 2 is the answer because this does make sense, but really don't worry about a question like this. This is so rare. So choice 2 is our answer.